Congressman Manny Pacquiao.
Good morning, everybody. First, I would like to thank God for a good day and thanking everybody. This is the Top Rank promotion, Barbaro, HBO pay-per-view, MGM, and to all the media and press. Thank you so much to all your support. Without you, we're not here. One thing that I can assure this fight that it's going to be a good fight is both of us, we have something to prove for this fight. I respect Bradley. He's a nice guy also, and he's improved a lot of his boxing ability since the last fight that we had, and he proved that on Marcus fight and Ruslan fight, and I think this coming April 12th is going to be a good fight and more action in the ring. And of course, we don't know who's going to win because we don't. I mean, we never know. Only God knows what's going to happen or tomorrow. So what we're going to do is we have to train hard and prepare 100% condition. And like what I said, I really thankful to God that I have another chance to get to fight aggressiveness and to have a strength back, like what I did in the last fight with the Rios. So I assure that the Manny Pacquiao, the aggressiveness, and the young Manny Pacquiao you will see on April 12th. And by God's grace, thank you so much.